Hey, this is Tim Bilecki, managing attorney with Bilecki Law Group down in Tampa, Florida, and I'm here in San Diego at Marine Corps Recruit Depot. And the best part about today is our client, who is a gunny sergeant, just got out of the brig. And let me tell you, if you've been to the brig, that place is a shithole. It sucks. And you want to get out as soon as possible. And even more importantly, you don't want to get in the brig. In this particular case, he was charged with sexual assault. And as with most cases in the Marine Corps, you get this false allegation of sexual assault, but that's not all you're charged with. In this case, it happened at a party that was at his house. Of course, he's a gunny. There were junior enlisted Marines, so there you have fraternization. Some of the Marines were underage, so you have underage drinking. And they started piling the charges one after another and after another. And one false allegation ends up being like a 3-page charge sheet where, you know, if the case actually does go to a fully contested jury trial, the jury's probably going to get you on the fraternization, some of the other charges. So this case was a bit unique in that we actually came to a pretrial agreement. Now, I'm not a big fan of pretrial agreements, but there is a right time and a place for one. And this is a case where we negotiated a pretrial agreement where our client was pled guilty to what we believed he would have been convicted of, which is the fraternization and the underage drinking and the extramarital affair, and all of the other charges were dropped and dismissed, and he was basically got a time-served deal. So the bottom line is, you don't want to go to the brig. The place sucks. We got our client out of the brig today, so that's a big win, and we did it through a less traditional way. That was a plea agreement. So again, there's a time and a place for it, and this was the right time and the right place.